starting a machine learning journey. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and here we go with a brand new series, and you're gonna be seeing me learn this in real time. So I've been kicking this around for a while, so I thought we'd just kind of do this together and just see how it goes. So from the little bit that I've looked at, and we're going to be using the sklearn module, but it's the I've seen and heard different pronunciation. Scikit-learn, sklearn. I've heard all of this. So what I've determined and what I've read is probably what we're going to do is we're going to go kind of back and forth from learning the actual package to maybe learning some best practices with modeling. So a little bit of actual statistics and maybe why it's doing what it's doing. So like I said, we're going to be doing this together. You're going to be seeing me do this in real time. Or shortly thereafter, I learned it myself. So I don't know. I have no idea how this is going to go, but I really want to start learning this, and I've used this channel to facilitate and push my learning, and this is something I'm interested in. So I'm just going to use the habits that I started early on and be a little bit more forthcoming that right now I have zero knowledge, zero experience with machine learning or sklearn. And also what I want to do is begin using these and not just seeing which ones I feel are better. You're going to see me using them, and we're going to determine which ones, or I'm going to determine which ones I like to use, and you're going to see me use them in real time. So there we go. I have no idea how this is going to go. Real quick video today. Sorry that I was out last week. I was doing some impromptu traveling for family needs to resolve some issues, but everything is going well. But yeah, we'll just start this together and we'll see how it goes. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping down to the Discord server to get any help you need, and please drop any comments, questions, or video requests, and see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.